Welcome to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good in this pandemic. Please stay home, stay safe, always maintain social distance, and get vaccinated when it is your turn. Today we have an interesting video on Grafton's Quanta electric bike. So please watch our video without skipping. Grafton is a Hyderabad-based startup electric vehicle brand, has launched its first all-new revolutionary electric bike Quanta. Grafton had derived the electric vehicle vision back in 2016 and is poised to make a significant development with the made-for-India purpose-driven, designed, vehicle Quanta. The all-new Quanta is launched at 99,000 rupees, and as a promotional offer, the company is offering the Grafton charging station free of cost to limited users. Quanta is available in 3 color variants, red, white, and black. Black being the special edition with limited supply. The vehicle will be available for booking on an immediate basis, and the booking will be done through its official website www.graftonmotors.com. As per the information, Quanta comes with world's first rib-cage chassis designed to give agility and safety to the battery compartment from theft and accident. The chassis geometry and fine-tuned suspension help to maneuver the vehicle with ease and comfort in city traffic and even on unpaved road conditions, thus offering the rider a rejoicing experience and exhilarating performance of Quanta. Quanta features a 3 kW proprietary BLDC motor, an in-house manufactured motor that is engineered for reduced mechanical losses and increased efficiency. Besides achieving a top speed up to 70 km/h, the vehicle ensures the rider gets an instant 170 Nm of maximum torque at will in any situation and on any patchy road. Quanta is clubbed with the BLDC motor capabilities and the tuned suspension bolted to a chassis with bigger 17-inch wheels and a low center of gravity. Grafton's Quanta draws power from a 3 kWh Li-ion detachable battery and offers a commendable 150 km travel range, extendable up to 320 km, on a single charge. Additionally, Grafton's SES swap ecosystem boosts the confidence of the rider and offers convenience with an intelligent urban mobility solution. With SES ecosystem, the rider can locate the nearest Grafton's battery station, order an extra battery and easily summon and swap the battery at any given location. Going into other details. 2-mode charge, the fast charging can juice up the vehicle in just 90 minutes, charging at the rate of 1 km/min, and regular mode charges the battery in 3 hours. Swap-enabled chassis, help to remove the battery from the bike out for charging in the case of non-availability of charging sockets. Quanta comes with a 5-year battery warranty and easy replacement assurance. The company is also providing a smart app. It gives the rider a total control over Quanta. The application is powered with features such as roadside assistance, mapping service stations, remote lock/unlock, and turning on or off the lights from a remote distance. GoTack, unique ECU feature, telecasts the whereabouts and overall health of the vehicle to the smart app. Thus, vehicle tracking and remote immobilization can be done very easily using Smart App mobile application. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.